Pyrokin Studio. 3 years ago, I bought a cordless drill. The battery has been modified, but it's time to upgrade again. The drill and battery are both second-hand. This battery has been refurbished, but it's lean, so it's not very powerful. I bought another broken battery case. I want to make a new one. But Pyrokin, why do you always buy broken ones? That's the only way to have topic. Actually, it's not entirely about the subject matter. I don't really want to spend too much money. It doesn't seem to be select. There is a sense of pressure in fixing something. I bought this defective product for about 150 Taiwan dollars. Oh my god, it's all rotten inside. It's low light, the electrolyte has been epoxed and then dry up. Pyrokin magic. I bought this battery a long time ago. This specification is 18,350. Its length is only half of 18,650. I bought this size because I want to install it directly into the case. They will be arranged like this. This is equivalent to connecting 3 batteries in series. So this is to upgrade it to lithium battery. I feel a sense of pressure when I think of this. I must do this quickly. Because I've been buying this battery for several years. Make sure the battery voltage before connecting in series. The voltage difference cannot be too large. We will start connecting them in series. The reviews of this power battery on the internet are not very good. I don't know if its craftsmanship has improved in recent years. But this battery has been bought for 3 or 4 years. So I can brand it even if it doesn't perform well. Pyrokin, you don't even have confidence in yourself. Why do you still do this? This is a lucky gamble. Oh, by the way, has anyone used this brand? Is it in the better condition now? If you have any ideas, please let us know in the discussion section below. Anyway, its appearance seems to be improved. Oh, by the way, when the batteries are connected in the parallel, the voltage must be consistent. Otherwise, the nickel sheet will burn out once it's connected. Now, connected the parallel battery packed in series. I've actually finished this video a while ago. Every time I perform it, I will improve it a little bit. I will listen to all professional massage. But sometimes I have already finished it when you leave a massage. I have completed the battery connection. The batteries are connected and the wiring is started. In fact, I hope that after modification is completed, the appearance will be completely unrecognizable. But this joint cannot be changed. If you want to make an electric drill by yourself, there is a thermistor here. I will take this down. Because the protection board can't use this. Maybe the protection board we chose is not advanced enough. Now connect the power supply wire. This is not difficult. You will get it after practice a few tries. Hold with thumbs and let go after it cools down. Now solder the positive and negative electrode. If the solder is not enough, please add more. Positive electrode soldering completed. The negative electrode is also completed. Install into the battery box. Try to see if it works properly. The space in the case is too small to install the protection bowl, so we have to modify it now. Lithium battery must use a protective bowl, which is relative to life and safety. But this case is too small. The protective bowl can't be put in. So let's add a basement to it. Why add down? Because going down is easier and going up is more difficult. I thought about it for a long time and decided to use wood as a material. Mainly because the good guy's cold soul has not been available for a long time. Pyrokin, please stop talking nonsense. The real reason is that this material is easier to apply. The quantity is so small and I don't have a 3D printer. It can be made by hand using wood as a material. Because I need to sew another hole inside, so I dig a hole with the drill bit. Basically, you stack two pieces of wood and cut out a space inside. This space is where we will place the power management bowl. You see, it's like this. Lithium battery protection bowl can be embedded inside. Because the height is not enough, we have to stack another piece. Doesn't this mean it has both width and depth? I then use iron sheet to make button plate, save space and has better strength. But where does the materials come from? Holy cow, what are you doing? It's okay, I'm just looking for an excuse to have a drink. Actually, I'm sacrificing for everyone, okay? Another very important reason is that there is a lack of suitable canned food at home. My son likes to drink this. I think it tastes good, but it's too sweet. The old man only can drink this when he needs iron supplement. What iron supplement? It's time to add iron sheet. Lock the template flat and cut it off. You need to cut out the shape of the base, otherwise it will be troublesome later. After knocking it flat, you can use it directly. Now glue it with AB glue. This brand of AB glue is really easy to use. In fact, you don't have to use this brand, as long as you can stick it on. Now use the file to trim the edge. Because there is no 3D printing, I can only grind it slowly like this. In fact, this is the basic method of a bench work. And draw a hole in the battery case to insert the wire. Now wire out the protection board. There are actually quite a lot of wire to connect on the protection board. The board is marked with a current limit of 14 amps. This is a series protection board, so its function is to ensure balance, charging and discharging between the three batteries. If the voltage is too high during the charging, it will start charging. If the current is too large during the discharge, it will start discharging. Then, when the voltage is too low, the discharge will stop. This not only protects the battery, but also prevents danger if there is an internal short circuit or the motor burns out. As for how much protection it has, whether it is the same as what the manufacturer says, I don't know. The initial test results I used in the past few days are as follows. When it is fully charged, it will start charging. If you lock the electric drill, it will start discharging due to the excessive current. So, basically the functionality is fine, but I can tell you about the stability. After assembling, let's charge it. Start charging. There is no problem with charging. All completed, start implementation. Let's take a look at our homemade battery and test it. This is more powerful than NiMH batteries. Comparison of two batteries. Replace NiMH battery. It's really different. The rest is not important. That's all for today's story. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pyrokin Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.